Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty by AJ, and today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on the makeup in this clip. If you are new to my channel, I will link the video that this clip came from. But if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we're going to go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so for primer, I use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Primer. And I like this primer because it kind of mattifies my skin and it kind of helps the pores look a little bit smaller. So now using this Makeup Revolution loose powder, I'm going to put that in my T-zone area. That way my T-zone doesn't get oily. And that's what I'm going to use to kind of make sure my face stays matte. Using the Anastasia DipBrow, I am going to fill in my eyebrows. And if you have any questions about the shade that I used in any products or anything like that, I will list everything down below in the description box. To clean up underneath my eyebrows, I use the Sephora brand concealer. And then to clean on top, I use my regular foundation shade. For my eyes, I start off by using an LA Girl Pro Concealer just to make sure my eyelids are a lighter color so the eyeshadow pops more. But I ended up doing my eyes off camera because I could not find any of my makeup palettes. So I ended up having to like get creative and use like my concealer stick and everything to do my eyes. So that's why you won't see that, and you will not see that in the description box because I don't even know what I used. Alrighty, now it is foundation time. My favorite foundation is the Fenty Pro Filter foundation. I usually use this in the shade 430, but as you can see, that is more of my winter shade, which is why it's a little bit light on my skin. So I'm going to go in with this other foundation. I'll link it down below. And it's a little bit darker than my regular foundation. It's more so my skin tone. I just don't like the undertone of it. But I'm going to mix this together so that way I can have, you know, an even skin tone. So to conceal my under eyes and to highlight the points of my face that I would like to make prominent, I use the Sephora concealer that I already mentioned, and then I go over that with the Fenty Pro Filter concealer. The Pro Filter concealer is a little bit lighter than I would like it to be, so that's why I put it on top of that Sephora shade. But this is going to make me look really ashy, but I will fix it later, so do not judge me. So next I'm using the Fenty Matchsticks Trio, and I'm using the contour shade to kind of sculpt my face. This pregnancy is making me look really big in the face. My face is like getting really fat. So I need my face to look skinny like it used to. So I'm going to use that just to like carve out my face, make my nose look good, and you know, that good stuff. So back with the Makeup Revolution loose powder, I'm going to set underneath my eyes and pretty much everywhere I put the concealer at. I honestly could have skipped this step because my face was really matte and it wasn't really that hot outside for me to have to make my face super matte. But anyway, that's what I did, and then I'm going to put my hair on just so I can look presentable and see how the finished look is going to look. And I'm wiping the powder off right now, which is why I look a little ashy. But we're going to fix it. Once the oil set in, you know, everything is it's going to look right. So for mascara, I use the Sephora brand mascara, and then I go over that with another mascara from e.l.f. And I just want my eyelashes to look really long and dark, and I want my eyes to pop because I'm doing a photo shoot. That's why I got all dressed up. I do not get dressed up like this every day, but I have a photo shoot, and I'll link a picture of the how it came out at the end actually. But I'm going to a photo shoot, so I want my eyes to pop and I want to look, you know, good. So for the finishing touches, I'm using the Fenty Matchsticks Trio, the highlight shade, and I'm just going to put that on the bridge of my nose and in my Cupid's bow, on my cheeks and everything, in the corners of my eyes, just everywhere I really want to pop. All right, we're getting towards the end. I am using a NYX lip liner, and then I'm going to be creative and I'm going to go back with that contour shade from the Fenty Matchsticks trio, and I'm going to like not line my lips, but use that kind of as an outer shade. And then I'm going to put some nude lip gloss on top of that, so I kind of have like a nude lip. My whole look that I was going for was like a natural type of beat. Like I wanted to look good, but I wanted it to be more natural and not like bright pinks and blues and greens. I just want my inner beauty to show. So that's what I did, and I'm pretty sure that is it. I did spray my face with a little bit of rose water, but other than that, that's it. So this is the finished look, and I'll show you guys a side-by-side view so you can see how I started off looking rough and now how I look like a goddess, you know. Alrighty guys, so here is a close-up of the finished look. You can see that my eyes are more of a bronze natural eye color, and oh, here is a clip or a picture from the photo shoot. So this is how everything ended up turning out, and yeah. So if you like this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave it below, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my video next week.